位置咧喺個沙田嘅新城市廣場嘅對面啊。I am on the opposite of Newtown Plaza in Sharton。不過呢段片咧就唔係要去呢一個新城市廣場嘅。咁其實咧，我之前去呢一個沙田拍片嘅時候咧，有幾個商場其實就 miss 咗未影嘅。咁諗住而家補翻。But in this video, I'm not going to cover Newtown Plaza. Actually, there are some more shopping malls I haven't covered, and I would like to cover them today in this video. 咁啊，呢度有間譚仔嘅，據我所知咧，呢一度叫偉華中心啊。As I know that this is, I think the English should be something like 偉華 Center. But let me confirm that a little bit later. 雲桂香 There's a noodle shop. 奇興茶餐廳。Oh, I'm wrong. 偉華商場。The English is Chanway Shopping Centre。好啦，咁啊 scan 咗安心出行 QR code 先。I need to scan this QR code in order to enter this shopping mall. Okay, I'm done. 好啦，上去啦。偉華商場。我上次嚟嘅時候咧，呢條電梯係封咗嘅，唔知點解咧？今日開返喎。咁啊，偉華商場基本上兩層嘅，有地下同埋2樓。咁剛才我喺地下上嚟嘅啦。So actually they have 2 levels, the ground floor and first floor, and now I'm on the first floor.咁其實咧，呢一度除咗有間 fusion 嘅超級市場之外咧，都比較似一條通道多啲。And they have these decorations here. Some of them are empty. I don't understand why too.秋菊、冬梅、 So they are different kinds of plants name with the season at the beginning. 以色列空場哭牆。I don't understand why they have this wall decorations here. It's about Israel. Israel. I don't know exactly what is the English name of that, but in Chinese that means the crying wall. Anyway, 冬梅 that means winter plum. 秋菊 秋 means autumn. 菊 is a very difficult to it's a very difficult word to pronounce in English. How could I find it? 菊花英文 It's some kind of drinks you can they can make, which is this. I don't know how to pronounce it. Chrysanthemum. I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyway, 夏河 夏 means summer. Then 河係乜嘢呢？ I don't know what is the English for that. Let me try. No, I know. It's notice. Yeah, notice. 荷花嘛 ，notice 嘛，係咪啊？春蘭 春 means spring. 蘭咁係乜嘢呢？蘭花。Okay, so this is the name of the flower. Orchid. Okay, I really have tried my very best to explain that. I hope that is helpful. 呢邊咩都冇嘅喎。哦，有個廁所啦。呢個係 Fusion 嘅後門。This is the back door of Fusion Supermarket. 係。miss 咗添，入返去先。That's the exit of Fusion Supermarket. 呢個木八啊，韓燒啊，好似係富林集團嘅，所以食唔食就你話事啦。小罐台灣便當，中原地產。So that was a Taiwanese restaurant, and then they have some properties agents here. 牛帶人吃到飽。Okay, so that is for Taiwanese hot pot. That is a beauty center. Oh, I wonder what's at the back. Let me find it out. Oh, actually nothing's here. It is only a corridor, and all these shops are actually the back of those shops, and the main entrance is on the other side, so that nothing to see here.對面呢係新城市嘅3期啊！我上次係 miss 咗未影嘅，一陣間應該會 cover 翻。食個 K。呢度就係希爾頓中心啦。That is another shopping mall. I'm not too sure what is the English name of that. Let me check it out. It's Hilton Plaza. 好啦，我而家咧就諗住攞落下低地下 ，make sure 咧我係冇 miss 到任何商店嘅。I'm going to the ground floor to ensure that I have covered everything in this shopping mall. That is a properties agent that I have missed out earlier. They suppose to have some shops here, but they are all closed. And I have returned to my starting point. 呢度就係我一開始嗰個位置啦。咁我咧就呢條片喺度完啦。多謝大家收睇。This video will end here. Thanks for watching. And I will visit the Hilton Plaza now. See you. Bye bye. 咁我哋下條片再見啦。拜拜。